Hello, and welcome to How To channel. Today we'll be talking about how to upload your YouTube video. You are done with that video, you want to upload your YouTube video. So first thing, open up your browser. You go to youtube.com. Here I have my YouTube channel already open. Now, before you are able to have a YouTube account, you must have a Gmail account. And if you have a Gmail account already, or you don't know how to create a Gmail account, check in the description below on how you can create your Gmail account. Once you have your Gmail account created, you can now come to YouTube and create your YouTube channel. And if you don't know how to create your YouTube channel, check in the description below of this video. You will also see a video on how to create your YouTube channel. Once you are done with that, next thing is to create your video. Once you are done creating your video, you come to your YouTube channel. You see this icon here, this little icon here at the top right. It shows upload video. You click upload video. It loads. Now you have the option of dragging and dropping your file here, or you click select file. You click select file, you look for the files that you want to upload. In this case, I will just click to show you that you can drag and drop videos for files to upload. I'll go to my folder here. Once I go to my folder here, this is the file I want to upload. I'll click it, and drag it here. Now it is uploading. You have to give your video a captivating title, and the title must also be in correspondence with whatever you are uploading. Do not upload a video with a different content and a different title. Now that you've written down the title, you get your description and write. Now in my own case, this is how I upload my own video. I will have my title written down first and my description. So, since I already have my description written down, I will go to my notepad. I will copy my description, which I have written down already. Then I'll come and I'll post it here. Now, once you scroll down, you'll now choose whether your video is made for kids or not for kids, depending on the content of your video. Once you are done, click on show more. Scroll down. Once you scroll down, put in the corresponding tags so that anybody looking for your video will be able to find it. Now type in relevant keywords in your tag so that people who are searching for your video will be able to get it. Every relevant keyword is important. You are given a chance to type in 500 tags for your video. Now make sure you put in relevant keywords for your video to be located. If possible, use the whole 500. Once you've typed each relevant keyword, end it with a comma, and it turns into a tag automatically. You can go ahead and put other tags you want. Now, once you are done, click next. Trust me, you don't have to miss any of the optimization process that I've stated in this video, because with each optimization step, it determines how and why your video should be found on YouTube. That is the only way YouTube has given you to be able to get your YouTube to the audience who are looking for the video. Once your video is uploaded, it will now check for copyright content, whether you have the copyrighted content or not. Now, if you have no copyright option, it will show you no issues found. Once the check is complete, click next. Check is complete. You click next. Now it is showing there is no copyright issue found. You click next. Now this is the visibility. You either choose private, unlisted, or public. Now in public, everyone can watch the video. Once you are done, you can schedule publish. You can schedule it. This option, click it, you can set the time you want the video to be uploaded. But right now, I want my video to be viewed immediately. So I'll click this option and publish. Now my video has been published. This is the steps you need to publish your first video on YouTube. If you like this video and you want to watch content like this, please subscribe, turn on the notification to be able to get our video once we publish. Thank you.